guys, welcome to Vlogtober. I literally said Vlogtober and I was so serious about it. I'm sorry. Yesterday was a mess. Please ignore the fact that I said Vlogtober. I meant Vlogmas. I look a hot mess because I went to bed in my makeup. Do I care to take it off? Not really. Right now, I'm watching... Oh, wait. Let me just explain a little bit. I'm doing Vlogmas to the best of my ability. I'm going to try to upload literally, like, every day, like, the day I make the vlog. So, like, if you don't get it, like, today is December 1st. I'm going to try to upload this vlog on December 1st. But if that doesn't work out for me and, like, I get to, like, every day, then I'm going to try to upload, like, every vlog the next day. So like I would upload this vlog on December 2nd rather than upload it on December 1st, but I'm not really quite sure how Vlogmas works, so I don't know if that would work for Vlogmas. But yeah, it's gonna be a great time today. I'm just watching Crazy Rich Asians because I've never seen it and my mom like bought it on demand, and then I'm gonna put up my tree later, my Christmas tree. Well, we already have one up, but we're putting up another one. So I'm going to do that one, or I'm going to get started on it, I hope, because I just have no one to do it, because I didn't ask anyone to help me, so I kind of don't want to do it by myself. And then I'm going to go watch a play at my school called 9 to 5. So, I can't really record that, but everything else can be recorded. Hey guys, it's a few hours later. Never took off my makeup, so you're going to have to deal with it, because I'm a man. But I'm here with my dad. He's putting something together, like a table or something. And my mom. We're doing our Christmas tree. We just put one set of lights on, but it's not enough, so we're gonna try to put another set of lights. And I also made cookies. I'll show you guys that. But they're... Ew, it looks like freaking diarrhea. I made gobble gobble cookies because that are hard now because no one ate them. But
I wrote to them last year, the company, to see if they can.
I don't even remember what I was saying. Oh, because I made the gobble gobble ones because I have a snowman one, like Frosty the Snowman, but I don't want to use that. I would rather use the Thanksgiving ones so that the next time I make them, they're actually Christmas spirited. Tonight, I'm not going to the play that I wanted to go see because I have to do this tree, so I don't have time. And then I think when I'm done with the tree, I'm gonna go to my friend's house at like 9. I think. I'm not really sure what's happening though. This vlog is definitely not gonna be eventful, because I didn't really do anything today. I just like laid in bed and like watched stuff. But this week will, because you'll see me at school and I'll do gymnastics vlogs, and I have a meet this week, so I'll vlog the meet and like tell you guys how it went. And then I get my wisdom teeth out on Friday, so you're gonna get to see that with me too. It's gonna be a whole experience. Okay, so after about an hour of literally not doing anything to the tree and 20 minutes of putting lights on, this is so far what the tree looks like. I say we use those ones, but they're like, no, because it's icicles, they go outside. Like, there's a freaking rule book to what I can put on my tree.
Let's try it.
We will try it. You're gonna look stupid. There we go. You guys can watch.
This is gonna be stupid.
Mom, does it look like your tree?
Nope.
I think so.
I have a better tree.
Your tree's so ugly.
The peacock tree.
Your tree's disgusting.
How are you gonna hang this up here? Look. See the difference between the white?
Mom, you can't see the green wires anyway. Who
Exactly.
cares?
That's the whole point, Samantha.
But the point is, my tree is red and white. When you put the ornaments on, it'll go. It'll look like snow. Jeez. Worry about your own stupid tree. Who the heck Peacocks aren't even a Christmas spirited animal. Dummy.
You want me to kick you in the peacock?
I dare you.
Stop it. Stop it.
I want to do it.
You're the one who's doing this with her because
This is the penis.
Stop it.
It's called the male and the female.
I couldn't think about it. I'm sorry. Fine, take it off. It's hard to put on anyway.
Hey guys,
We're over here.
we out here at Ryan's house. You know, Matt.
Hey guys. Hey.
I didn't
I'm on
vlog
Ox.
anything. Oh, she's on Ox. She's killing the game.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Share it with your
I
friends.
can't speak English. Okay.
This is gonna be the most boring fucking vlog of my whole life.
Yeah, this is what we do every weekend.
We
Go
just
to
lay
people's
down.
houses and lay down.
Ananya.
I don't even like these.
That was hard.
Hey guys, just cooling off after being a little hoe.
I just saw Daniel's pee-pee.
She saw the peepee nose.
Pee action.
Peepee damn for real now.
She said, no dick.
Lil, I saw you though. You was like,
You took a pee vision.
She's like, oh
was
shit,
like,
is
hello?
it big?
Hey guys, you can't even see me, but like I'm laying down on this beanbag next to a fan. Bam, bam, bam.
Hey guys, so I'm back home now. I know this vlog was short, but at least I made one, you know? So, yeah. The next one may or may not be more fun than this one. Probably tomorrow's might suck. And this one is definitely gonna go up tomorrow because it's like 11 o'clock at night right now and I can't be bothered. So, this one's gonna go up tomorrow, but the rest of them, I will try to, I don't know what time I'm doing. I'll try to be on time. If you want to see more of my friends, let me know. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, maybe I'll add some snaps of like my night and like me hanging out with my friends and stuff. Let me know if you like it. Like, subscribe, comment. Gang gang bitch.